Hi everyone, this is a quick little video about aircraft pitch on a spherical Earth in contrast to what flat earthers think it means. This shows that when they ask for pitch data to prove we live on a sphere, they have no idea what they're talking about. All because they, most likely willfully, are confused about what up and down mean. Here's what flat earthers think would happen without any input from the pilot. Here's the Earth. Here's the airplane at some initial time, and the flight path is collinear with the instantaneous horizontal direction. The angle the airplane's longitudinal axis makes with horizontal is the pitch angle, right here, which allows the wings to generate lift. Flirfs think that with no pilot input, the airplane's pitch attitude would remain fixed relative to interplanetary space, not relative to the surface of the Earth. So here's the airplane at a later time, having traveled along the straight flight path. Notice that the airplane has not changed its orientation in space. However, the horizontal and vertical directions have changed. The vertical direction is still toward the center of the Earth, and horizontal is perpendicular to it. Also notice that the flight path is no longer collinear with the horizontal direction. The altitude has increased and the pitch angle has increased. Flat earthers think this would just continue until who knows what, maybe they hit their dome. But this is not at all how flight works. Pay special attention to the weight vector right here. It's pointed slightly toward the rear of the airplane, which would cause it to slow down and thus lose altitude. So here's what really happens. Here's the Earth again, and here is the curved flight path following the surface of the Earth. Here's the pitch angle between the aircraft axis in the instantaneous horizontal direction. Here it is at some later time. Notice how the vertical direction and the horizontal direction have changed. They're still pointing, the vertical is still pointed at the center of the Earth, okay? But the angle the aircraft axis makes with the horizontal is still the pitch angle. It doesn't change. And here it is at some later time. This is what happens. This happens all by itself. There is no pilot input that requires this. It's how airplanes fly. All because this is what flat earthers think up and down means. They've convinced themselves that this direction is up and this direction is down, which is completely wrong. Up is this way and that way and that way and that way and that way, and down is the opposite direction. Hope you enjoyed this and hope it makes sense.